The quickest and easiest potato recipe using ingredients you have at home. Let's start by slicing 2 potatoes. Next, I'll chop up half a red onion. I love potato recipes, they're delicious. Write down which potato recipe you'd like to see here. Add a drizzle of oil to the frying pan. Add the potatoes and onions. Sauté for about 5 minutes. Don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 at the end of this video. I can't wait to find out. Add salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. Oregano to taste. Paprika to taste. Mix well. Sauté everything until the potatoes are fried. Take the opportunity to let me know which city you're watching from, so I can send you a hug and find out how far our recipe has come. Add 2 eggs. Add salt to taste. Let it fry for 2 minutes. Add parsley to taste. And our recipe is ready, easy and delicious. The quickest potato recipe you'll ever make at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time and enjoy.